Hey guys, let's take a look at this Tapo Smart Wi-Fi light bulb that I got from Amazon. I have it working here already with my cell phone using the Tapo app, so I can just turn it on. And from here I can control the brightness and also the colors. I can change to any color that I want. I just hit the presets, so super easy to work like this. And I can also change here the white color. The color temperature basically go from yellowish to bluish, right? So I just change it here and I'm good to go. And I can also change the effect, schedule. Let's say, for example, I want to schedule to turn on and turn off during certain periods of the day or the week. I can just select the schedule here and save. So it's pretty easy to use like this. And also with the timer, I just select the timer here. Let's say for 5 minutes, it's going to turn on and turn off. Pretty simple. You see that I have other devices here on my Tapo app that I can create smart actions. Let's say, for example, I can just press once here on this button and turns the lamp on and off, right from here. And I can also control the intensity just by turning the knob here. So super simple. That's basically the automation. And you see the return here on the app as well. 87% right now, and then 0%. So pretty easy to control using the Tapo Smart Actions. And you can also use different apps. Let's say, for example, you have your Apple Home app. You can control from here as well. See that I have my lamp just right here. And I can control using my Tapo app because this one works with Matter. Here, see the protocol, right? Matter. That's the one that allows you to work with different apps, including the Apple Home. Super easy to work like this, right? And I can even use Alexa to control it. Alexa, turn off the lamp.
Okay.
There we go. Alexa, turn on the lamp and change it to blue.
Okay.
There we go. So it works pretty fine, okay? So basically that's the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi bulb. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.